How to fix all your problems that you have on your Brawl Stars easy and quick. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you the solution and I will teach you how to do this. Let's do it. So all what you need to do right now, open your settings of your mobile phone. Not this. Click here on apps option, search for Brawl Stars and click. You will find right now this list, open storage, click clear cache and click clear data and back. Click for stop, click OK and move to your battery, turn on it on optimized mode. Go back next to set as a default, make sure that OpenSea ported links is enable and back right now directly. You have to turn on your airplane mode, turn off it and come to Play Store or App Store, update your Brawl Stars right now, restart your phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.